All right, guys, this truck, SUV, car, I don't know what you want to call this thing. It's a beast. This guy did his thing on this vehicle, I'm telling you. So the guy ordered this truck. He wanted this color. They said it's got to be another 6 months to a year to make this color. He said, don't worry about it. Give me whatever color you got. I can't even tell the original color underneath this color. This wrap job is beautiful. I didn't do the wrap job. Whoever did it, thumbs up. Amazing job. I'm telling you, the detail that's done to this wrap, they took the doors off this vehicle to wrap this vehicle the right way. Whoever did it, great job, guys. Great job. I'm telling you, it is gorgeous through and through. Telling you, with the orange interior, this car is beautiful. Gorgeous. Brand new, blacked out accents. He said, Jeremy, I want some Forgiatos to match. I said, no problem. Custom made monoblock, 24-inch Forgiatos, wrapped in Toyo tires. He wanted the orange F. Had to have the orange F because he has his orange details now on his vehicle now. And he even have the beautiful lady dipped in orange. Why not? You can. When you can do anything you want, why not do anything you want? This detail work on this vehicle is amazing. This truck is gorgeous. These trucks float. If you ever owned a Rolls-Royce truck before, if you haven't, get in one, get in your friends, take it for a ride, and you'll fall in love with this vehicle. It is a great vehicle to drive everyday vehicle. It's a coast to coast, always doing something different. Not only Chevys, Donks, Cutlasses, you got double R's here, man. Rolls-Royce, always something different. Coast to coast customs. Holler at your boy. Peace.